Hi everyone, this is Toximus Philippines teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently. This is our top gainer and top loser analysis for January 29, 2018. Our top gainer is Uni, rising by 14.89%, while our top loser with volume is Poppy, down 8.96%. The first three stocks that have volume. Let's start with Uni. Fundamentally, the stock is losing. Actually, it doesn't have any revenues for current year to date, that is in 2017. Thus, EPS is negative and PE can't be computed. Book value is also negative. This is because of a negative retained earnings deficit and a negative stockholders' equity. Thus, price to book value cannot be generated as well. To sum it up, the company is really garbage fundamentally. But let's check the chart. The uni spiked up a little bit and has effectively made a higher high. The 15 EMA and the 50 SMA are acting as support. Your 15 and 20 SMA are poised for a bullish crossover versus the 50 SMA. Volume was also there, supporting the rally. MACD is bullish, RSI is also bullish, but is almost at overbought level. Support is at 0.2. Before the 0.235, we still have 0.25, while the resistance is at the 200 SMA or at 0.275. Our top loser again is Poppy. Poppy's spiked up the other day, but look at this one. Alright, going back to Poppy. Company had a net income of 85.19 million. This is better than the loss of 407 million last year in 2016. EPS is at 0.02. If we annualize this EPS, full year EPS is at 0.027 with a price of 2.44, and this will still be expensive. 90 times PE. So it's still expensive. Book value is only at 0.64 and the stock is trading at 2.44, so it's trading at around 4 times book value, making it overvalued as well. Now let's check the chart of Poppy. Okay. Stock finally reversed after rising. Wait. Let's refresh the chart. Right, so Poppy finally corrected after a slight rally 1 to 3 days ago. The moving averages are still bullishly aligned. MACD is bullish. RSI is also is already correcting, but so far it still appears bullish. But this is already becoming weak. We may have some support at around the low of the day at 2.40. Next support to be at around 2.29. Resistance is at 2.6, followed by 2.82. Now let's try using the fibs to at least see where the stock has retraced. It's around at 50% fib. If you use the 61.8 Fibonacci ratio, that will be around 2.36, which is also a possible support line based on this candle. So that's it. Let's pop it. Alright, so that was our top win and top was our analysis for January 29, 2018. This is Toximus Philippines teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently.